everyone, Nicole here with CellBotics. So I wanted to address a question that I recently got. Someone asked why we don't do technical repair videos on YouTube. So we actually do have a few repair videos, but we don't have them public. We actually list them on our CellBoticsTech.com website. So if you go to CellBotics.com, you're actually going to see that that's a membership website, and all of our graduates actually get access to that. And we do have some repair videos, but do we have the full gamut of devices? No. There's no reason to recreate the wheel. There are some good channels out there that you can get the proper information from. And the way that we teach you is that you could watch any video and be able to basically decode that video and know what not to do and what to do, right? But to spend our time on doing repair videos when there's literally millions of them, it just seems like a waste of time to us. We focus on helping our students. We are every day we're talking to our graduates, helping them some way. Is it either someone who's just starting, or if it's someone that we trained 4 years ago and they're opening a third location. So we spend our time there. We spend our time gathering information for our courses. We update our book weekly. Yeah, weekly. We don't just have one book that we reprint for every course. No, we update it weekly. We order books weekly every time people register. So we stop taking registrations on this Saturday before class starts, right? Because Saturday nights we actually order all of our books, and Sundays we pick them up. And so that's where we spend our time. We just don't think it's logical when there's already so much valuable information out there that we can show you. With that being said, yes, you're coming to learn repair. I understand that. You don't know how to fix devices. That seems like the most scariest right now. Get that out of your mind, okay? Let's be honest here. Anyone can learn how to fix phones from going on YouTube. I'm just gonna say it. Now, you may get the wrong channel and end up breaking somebody's device and having to replace it. That's one of the benefits of coming to class, is that you're gonna know all the right ways to do things, and then, you know, you're gonna meet people that you need to know. There's just a lot of things that we're gonna kind of cut corners instead of you doing trial and error on YouTube, right? The reason you're really coming to class, of course, is to work on devices hands-on. That's very important too. But one of the major reasons is how to actually make money. Even if it's getting a job, most of our students open their own business from home because they want financial freedom. You can tell if you look at the success stories on our menu. So if you go to our menu and click success stories, you can watch videos from our graduates. You can read their stories. You can go to our Facebook page. You can actually interact with them. The number one reason people come to us is to open a business on their own. And I don't mean a $40,000 business. I'm talking about starting from home, starting from a vehicle, and you can also start that $100,000 store. I mean, so with this course, you're getting all of that. And that is where the importance lies. And that's what we've gathered from years of working with people. So I could have trained the best person on how to do repair, and they could walk out and be able to fix any phone. But if they can't earn income, then they fail. And we learned that the hard way when we started out. It took us a while to figure out what made things work and what didn't work for people. And so, do we make videos? Yes. Okay, we do. Do we make a lot? No. Do we teach you what you need to know? Absolutely. What's most important to us that we think is most important for you that you may not realize right now is that you need business support. You need someone to help you through those times where you don't know what to do. You're not making any money. Ads aren't working. You know, those are the things that you need us for. So I'm going to actually take some clips of videos that we have made repair videos of on our tech site, because you won't be able to access that until you actually attend class, or you'll have to pay for that website. So the few videos that we do have, I'm going to take little snippets just so you can see that, yes, we can fix devices. You know, that's always the easy part to me. You know, it's like, do you fix phones? Yes. Do we teach you hands-on? Yes. That's a given. That's a given. Any course you go to, you're going to sit down and touch devices. The difference is, are they going to teach you how to make money? Or are they going to support you after? And I mean true support. So that's the big difference. So I hope that that covers that question. I'm sure some of you had that question too. And then somewhere in this video, I'm going to insert snippets of us actually working on things. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Give us a call if you need to. We have a new feature on our page. It's called Talk to a Trainer. So you actually can schedule a call with me or Michelle and actually talk about the courses and cover any questions that you might have, even if you just want to talk to a human. So we look forward to seeing you in class. Any way you go, just do it. Stop putting it off. Get into the industry. Stop making excuses, okay? All right, talk to you soon. Bye-bye.
It's really fast. I did run a TriStar test on there, and it did pass in seconds. I didn't count. I just kind of started singing, and then I forgot I needed to count. So I'm going to say 15 seconds is up now. All right, and I'm going to pull out the LCD. This is always tricky because you don't want to damage the plug.